elephants march so big and strong, trumpeting loud as they walk along, splashing water, having fun, cooling off in the golden sun. Creeping slowly through the trees, a tiger moves with gentle ease, golden stripes and eyes so bright, glowing softly in the night. Giraffes are reaching way up high, eating leaves near the sky. Necks along they bend and sway, greeting friends along the way. Hippos laughing in the stream, floating by like in a dream. Splash and wiggle, dive and play, having fun all through the day. Zebras gallop, black and white, running fast, a lovely sight. Dancing stripes, they jump with cheer, as we watch them far and near. Crocodiles are taking naps, hidden well in muddy traps. But when they move, oh what a sight, snapping jaws with all their might. Baboons chatter, swinging round, making funny, silly sounds. Up the branches, down again, playing games with all their friends. As the sunset paints the sky, birds fly home and wave goodbye. Shining stars will light the way, ending our safari day. Time to head back, say goodnight. Jungle dreams feel warm and bright. Close your eyes and soon you'll see more adventures, wild and free.
Please subscribe our new YouTube channel, The Cityverse. Hey, kids, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.